Today we'll talk about 5 features to look for in a virtual data room provider. An introduction to a virtual data room. A virtual data room solution is a secure platform for storing and sharing sensitive business documents with external parties such as potential investors or acquirers. There are plenty of virtual data room solutions providers in the market. However, all video solutions may not be effective for your organization. Here are the 5 essential video features that you should consider when opting for a suitable virtual data room provider. 1. Easy navigation. A video should be intuitive and easy to use with clear labels and menus. An instruction that makes it simple for users to find what they need and perform tasks effectively or efficiently. 2. File organization. A good video will offer tools for organizing and categorizing documents such as folders, tags, and search functions, so users can easily find and access the information they need. 3. Customization option. A video should allow users to customize the appearance and behaviors of the platform to meet their specific needs and preferences. For example, users should be able to change the layout of the interface, adjust notification settings, and assign permissions to different users. 4. Security measures. A user-friendly video should have strong security measures in place to protect the confidentiality of the documents and data stored within it. This may include encryption, authentication protocol, and monitoring tools to detect and prevent unauthorized access. 6. Support resources. A good video provider will offer a variety of resources to help users get the most out of the platform, such as training materials, supporting documentations, customer support, staff who can answer questions and troubleshoot issues. What are the benefits of using a virtual data room solutions? There are 5 benefits: securing and storage of sensitive documents, streamlined due diligence process, enhanced collaboration and communication, improve data protection and compliance, increase efficiency and productivity. So let's talk about the conclusion. In conclusion, you might be thinking, oh, this sounds good, but I use Microsoft 365 to share my documents using SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, and Outlook. How does Microsoft 365 help me with a virtual data room like some of the products that are out there in the market today? Microsoft 365 can be used to create and manage virtual data rooms, which are secure platforms for storing and sharing business documents with external parties. By using Microsoft 365 to create and manage a video, organizations can streamline the document sharing process, enhance collaboration, communication, and meet regulatory requirements for data protection compliance. Please reach out if you have any questions.